Hello. Hello. So this is Joe Sir. I'll be sharing you ang bagong updates sa ating clubhouse, sa ating Go Trade Investing Club. And thank you to this guy kasi tinulungan niya tayo sa ating bagong Discord. Okay? So this will be a walkthrough of it. Kung bago ka, matatag ka dito sa welcome channel. Tapos, this is the first na kailangan mong bisitahin, member rules. So member rules, the purpose is to guide newbie investors in the US stock market away from gambling noise of active trading. Kasi mataas yung chance na matalo ka sa active trading. So pinagmamasdan mo. Okay? So this club's purpose is gawin yung tama, gawin yung proper way and correct way of investing. Proper way of investing is boring kasi consistently mo ginagawa na walang masyadong excitement, kumikita ka ng pera, padahan-dahan. Okay? The way we do it is manage yung risk through diversified type of investing and then using Go Trade. Okay? So how to use this club? Ang FAQs ng Go Trade is nandito, you click it, and then nandito lang siya. Kinalat ko na po siya dito. Si withdrawal, acceptable IDs, market hours, do you even get dividends, nandun siya. And then, next naman is you can visit the videos. The videos po is dito ko rin po pinopost yung mga na-discuss namin. Kasi every Monday, 8 p.m., weekly, we do have weekly check-ups, discussion of ideas, and I teach them on proper way of investing. Tapos, exploration na rin ng mga nakikita nilang investment and available sa Go Trade. Balik tayo kay member rules. Sa main chat room naman, this one. Okay, so it's this one. Dito tayo mag-usap lahat. Okay? Let's help each other, discuss ideas, ask questions. Most of the time is ibabalik kayo sa Go Trade FAQs if may question kayo related kay Go Trade kasi paulit-ulit natatanong yung Newbies. And then, if tayo lahat sa chat room, as you can see, marami na tayong members. Nasa mga lagpas 300 na pala tayo. Sana sumama ka na rin. If bago mo itong napapanood sa Facebook page. So, dito yung usapan ng lahat about developments, about check-up, ano magandang stock, or ano nangyari sa crisis, okay? Tutulungan tayo lahat dito. And then, for newbies, okay? For newbies na busy sa day job, okay? Gusto mo bumisita ka lang to check this out, paminsan-minsan, we do recommend, even si Lolo Warren Buffett is mag-invest ka ng 100% sa SPY. Okay? You just type in your Go Trade app, SPY, and mag-invest ka doon 100% of your deposit KSPay at least once a month. So every month siya. The challenge sa investing is being consistent. Okay? Being consistent. Yeah. If newbie ka rin na medyo may oras ka, ang preferred recommendation is 70% na nasa SPY. At 30% doon, ikaw na bahala maghanap ng ETF. Nandiyan naman kami para tulungan ka. Okay? Maraming ETF na available. Meron for growth, meron for dividends, meron pa nga pang Singapore. Pag gusto mo mag-invest sa Singapore, ma-access mo siya sa US market. And then again, you need to invest at least once a month. Palaging once a month. Mas maganda, mas marami rin naman makapag-deposit ka. But what we need to do here is to consistently invest. Kasi dyan lalago yung pera mo. Number 4, you do have the option here na pwede mo screenshot yung portfolio mo. Tapos send mo dito sa portfolio analysis. Dito, pwede kita tulungan. I'm an ex-US stockbroker and then I've been in the industry for 10 years na. Pwede kita tulungan dito kung ano yung paano mo i-adjust, ano yung bibenta mo, ano yung bibilin mo pa, okay? Dito yan sa port analysis. Tapos, we do weekly 8 p.m. as I mentioned earlier. We do weekly 8 p.m. Monday meeting sa Investors Lobby. This is, nagtuturo ako din. Sa ETF, we discuss ideas, magkano ba yung tamang investment, magkano yung minimum, okay, paano mabasahin yung mga metrics, yung mga charts, dyan. Nandito siya, Investors Lobby. All you have to do, this is a voice channel. Okay? All you have to do is just click it, and then, ayan na siya. Pwede ako mag-screen share dito, tapos, dito kami nagdi-discuss. So, automatic na siya na pwede tayo mag-usap. Remember, usually 8 p.m. namin ito ginagawa ng Monday para bago magbukas yung market. And then, ang pinakabawal sa lahat is bawal mag-hype. Bawal ang risky activities like crypto, day trading, or forex, or any kind of the next best thing. Kasi we believe here in the investing club na invest ka sa historically proven na marami nang napaayaman na investor, which is sa US stock market. There's a lot of reason why pwede natin pag-discuss ng Monday, diba? Bakit sa US stock market compared sa Philippine stock market. Mabilis ako mag-ban, so please do follow this. We do have bot commands too. Bot commands is like this, stock, and yung symbol GOGL. So here's an example, okay? Ang pagta-type ng bot commands is dito, bot commands. Tapos, example lang. The type ko is stock AAPL, Apple. Yan. Ilalabas na ngayon siya. Ito, this one, yung latest news, magkano yung presyo ngayon, okay? And then yung volume and the rest. Ang usually na ginagamit dito sa investing club is yung what ETF. Okay, this returns the top 5 ETF by exposure. It means, kunyari gusto ko si Apple. Sige, ayoko mag-invest kay Apple kasi nga ayoko magbantay palagi ng Apple stock. Gusto ko diversified na. Gusto ko ma-manage na yung risk ko by putting my eggs in maraming basket. Sabi nga, do not put your eggs in one basket kasi kapag nanakaw yung basket na yon na nag-iisa lang, okay, yung egg na yon sa isang basket, wala na. So, put it in maraming basket. Okay? And that's ETF. Kasi sa ETF, marami siyang laman. Marami ka nang may-invest kapag bumili ka ng isang ETF. So, here's an example, Punta tayo sa bot commands. Okay, kunyari, what ETF? What ETF si Apple? Ang lumabas sa basket pala niya is nasa technology sector ETF. 22% ng laman ng ETF na to is Apple. Pag bibilin mo siya, ito yung tatype mo XLK. So, pag gusto mo naman malaman kung ano yung iba pang laman ng XLK, type ETF XLK. Okay, XLK. So ngayon, lumabas na ngayon dito yung iba pang laman ng XLK. Kapag nag-invest ka dito, may Apple ka na, may Microsoft, may Nvidia ka na, may Visa ka pa. Diba? So, kahit 100 peso lang in-invest mo, makakaroon ka na ngayon na exposure sa growth ng mga companies na ito. So, hindi ka na mamimili, hindi ka na mag-isip, hindi ka na magre-research. All you have to do is to consistently deposit money and invest. Okay? So, going back, we do have here, if kung sakaling gusto mong mag-invest sa one stock, if advanced ka na, if kaya mo sikmurahin baba taas at volatility ng Apple stock, what you need to do, if tanong mo, maganda ba tong stock na to? Maganda ba tong pag-investa? All you have to do is to type in this one, analyst stock. This is the analyst consensus ng mga research companies sa US. The logic here is they do research every day, so you don't have to. All you have to do is to get the consensus rating. So, example, analysis, AAPL. So, ang sabi nila, ito yung date na ni-rate nila, recent lang, July. Tapos, ito yung company na nag-rate. Si Loop Capital, si Deutsche Bank, si Piper Sandler. Maintain daw nila na bilhin mo, buy ang Apple stock. Kasi pwede siyang tumaas or price target, PT, ng 165 or 175 dollars. Ang presyo daw ngayon ng Apple is 100, kasi na siya? Ang presyo ng Apple is 148. So, ibig sabihin, tataas pa raw siya ng 165 to 175 within 12 months yan. Okay? So, this is a good investment. A good way to start. Pero pag newbie ka, please do start with SPY ETF. Okay? Going back to the rules, so basically that's it. You can play around with heat charts, with price targets, and then with peers. Ibig sabihin, if gusto maghanap ng katulad ng company ni Apple, o katulad ng company ni Moderna, lalabas yun AstraZeneca, Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, and that's it. So, meron din tayo ibang tools, by the way. Nandito yung GoTrade FAQs, market news, dito lumalabas yan, pwede natin pag-usapan kung ano nangyari. Investor sticks to stocks, okay? Katulad yan. Dito yung bot commands, dito if you personally want to check on your own. So, sige, dito ka lang sa bot commands. Ito, marami naman ang message dito. Si Daniel, si Mochi. Sa videos, okay, dito natin kinoconsolidate yung mga dapat mong panoorin at maganda mong panoorin as a newbie. Suggestions, if makakatulong sa community, please do message here if ano yung gusto nyo contribute o ano gusto nyo baguhin o kaya gusto nyo i-improve. Nakikinig kami. Dito maingay lahat sa main chat room. Wala tayong webinar ngayon, Sir Seth, Ansi. Pwede natin. Wala po, but nag-record ako now on how to use the Discord. Yan. Best picks naman. Okay, dito yung best. Ano ba yung best companies na pipili? Kasi usually, ano ba magandang pag-invest? Okay, nandyan palagi sa SP. Okay, for beginners. Tapos, yan si high dividend for dividend investors. Nandyan si growth versus dividend stocks. Okay? Nandyan din yung the best dividends for ETF. Nandyan siya. Port analysis, huwag mahiya. Screenshot, tanong sa akin. I'll help you out. Off topic, this is for kahit ano. Okay? Share mo yung bago mo luto, o bago mo magpakain sa amin. And investor lobby is this. That's it. So, maraming salamat guys. That's all. And just ask questions sa main chat room and tulungan ka namin. Okay, madami-dami na rin to. Maki-join ka na. Bye-bye!